If you've been following the videos explaining how to set up the Well Planned Out online planner, right now you might be feeling a little overwhelmed by the thought of entering all those assignments. I have some great news for you. I have created curriculum schedules for some of the top homeschool curriculum on the market. When you subscribe to this online planner, your subscription automatically grants you access to all of these schedules. Let's walk through how to add a curriculum schedule to your online planner. If you have set up a school year and students but have not yet set up any courses and you're still in the setup wizard, you will want to click on the Courses tab in your setup box and proceed from there. If you have already created a custom course, you should see a navigation bar across the top of your screen with a variety of options. Choose the course icon to take you to the courses screen. You'll click on the giant plus sign and select a school year to add a new course. Next, you'll want to choose the Purchase Course option. This will direct you to a page that includes all of the curriculum schedules currently available for the online planner. Select the schedule you desire to use and add it to your cart. At this point, you can either proceed to check out or continue to shop for more schedules. Choose as many as desired. Once you have processed through the checkout, the schedules will automatically be added to your planner. Once you are back in your online planner, you can now select the Use Purchase Course option. Choose a schedule either by scrolling through the options on your screen or by using the search box filters above the setup menu. Select the schedule you wish to use by clicking the box on the left of the title. Next, move to the Students tab on the Setup menu bar and choose the student or students who will be taking the course for this year. Finally, choose the times and the days of the week in which the course will be completed. Click on the Add Courses tab at the bottom of your screen and you're done. To see what your course looks like, click again on that Courses icon in the navigation bar. You can see all the same options that you would see in a custom course, but this time you'll also note that there are already assignments entered into your course. If you click on the little pencil icon next to assignments, a new screen will open showing that all of your assignments are already entered into the course, ready for your student to begin work on your start date. Once a course is entered into your online planner, you can make as many adjustments or changes as you'd like. And when it comes time for another student to use the same course, all you have to do is click to add a new course, choose a purchase course, and assign it to a new school year and student. Now, why don't you give it a try?